What's up, guys? What's this for?
That's all.
Alright, anyway, guys, it's your boys Jay, Hafid, and
Yasir
Habshi. Together we're awesomely certified. Well, anyway, we are gonna do
The egg challenge, man.
eating raw eggs today. Bro, this is madness. So I've got mine here. He's got his.
Oh my god.
He's got his. 3, 2, 1. Well, anyway, no. I was kidding. What's the glass? What's the glass? Okay, this. We're gonna use this. That's yours.
Man, that's
It's up to you. It's up to you, fam. No, I'm putting mine in here. Wait, hold up.
shit. Shit, man.
That's mad. Yo, come on.
Put mine in there.
Okay. This seems mad. Alright.
Look at this, man.
Well, anyway.
Woo! This is mad.
Alright.
Look at this. Look at this thing over here.
My nigga. Alright.
Oh man,
Come on.
I can't do this, man. Shit.
Alright, let's do this.
Man. Oh my god.
Dad,
Yeah.
Oh my god!
What the fuck? Move away from the camera. This guy.
that's it.
No.
Anja.
What the fuck?
What the hell, man? How? Woo.
Oh my god.
Okay. Let's do this.
Man! Oh shit.
Oh, Ross!
Oh my god, man.
Ah.
Shit.
Bisa kita nak keluar je tu.
Oh my god.
Ah.
I really can do this, man.
Ah.
Damn.
Woo. Fucking hell.
Oh my god.
Fucking hell.
Shit. Damn, man.
This guy needed like 2 glasses of water as well.
Wow, how is it? How is it?
It's nice.
God damn, man.
Come on.
Shit.
Move away. Move.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm never doing that again, man. Eek.
Okay.
Oh my god.
How does that feel?
Fuck.
Want another round?
Nah, man.
You will do it, me and you.
Oh my god.
Another one.
Okay. Let me get my glass.
Yo!
Second round.
Oh no, man. I'm good. Shit.
This guy's a pussy, you know.
Oh my god. It's still right here.
No problem.
These guys. I gotta drink it again. Oh my god. Shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's
But
so dead.
this guy, that has beat me.
Oh my god. They're gonna do it again, man. Look at them. Oh my god.
Mana Nas?
Shit.
Oh, dear.
Oh my fucking god. Man, I still feel like vomiting. Shit. Oh my god, look at this guy, man. Shit. Oh my god. Oh, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? Oh my god.
Are you alright?
Oh my god.
Are you okay? You alright? You good?
Drink it.
Yo, it's your turn, man. It's your fucking turn. Shit. Oh my god. Look at this guy over here, guys. Look at this guy. He's gonna fucking drink it.
Oh, fucking right. Oh,
Thunder,
God.
thunder.
Chill, man.
Let's go, man. You did it the first time. Look at this guy. Shit! He did it, man. No vomiting. No vomiting.
Yes.
Again.
It's done.
it's
no,
done.
no, it's done. Oh my god.
Mm. Wow, that gives me nausea.
Guys, That was intense, my nigga. Woo. For more challenges like that, you need to subscribe. You need to like us, man.
Yes.
I've been doing a lot of
give us
challenges.
your likes and don't forget to subscribe.
Shit.
And subscribe again. And tell your friend to subscribe. And for more challenges.
Tell your friend to tell their friends to subscribe.
Yeah, and follow us on Insta. We'll give you our
accounts in the
description down below. So you just have to do your thing. And
Yeah.
we hope you guys support us and all that. And for another challenges, please comment below. Tell us what to do. We will do it.
We'll challenges,
we'll
pranks,
try
anything,
our best
do it.
to do it. If you want pranks, we'll do pranks. If you want challenges, we'll do challenges and all that. And we'll see you next time.
Right.
Subscribe.